Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy KB and welcome back to another video. We got my boy Ahmed over here.
What up?
In the cut. What's goody, boy?
What's good, boy?
It's our first collab video. Alright, y'all, so we got a little something special for y'all today. Instead of more body aesthetic stuff, we are just doing something simple and small. It's gonna make it look nice in the long run, so pay attention to detail. We are working on hella horns.
These are hella sus.
Hey. So yes, we got the hella horns here along with the Grim Speed harness wires for it. You do need this. This is not required, but you can do it anyway. This is a pairing bracket for the hella horns. You can also get it from Grim Speed too, so either a pairing or Grim Speed bracket, you could get that. Well, no, in the actual, when you get the box with the hella horns, they come with a bracket on it. So
let's look into it.
Yeah.
Everybody, let's do this unboxing live. Do this unboxing live. All right. So you got your hella horns right here. It does have a little bracket, but the thing is that even if, I wouldn't recommend just using this bracket.
Yeah, it's just those small little brackets would make, you know, both hella horns like close to each other instead of just like spaced out like how you see every other Subaru guy that has these. That's what the bracket is for.
And then a relay. So, yep, so we're gonna have to put this relay in, and we're gonna have to put these two hella horns in. That's gonna be an easy job.
Easy.
And then, what else are we doing? What's this mystery box? Are we wrapping the car?
I don't know.
Shit,
We gotta keep quiet about that one. They don't have to see that on the next video, so they don't lose brain cells with how much stuff we're doing in one video.
Yo, Kyle, what do we need?
Alright, so really it's quite simple. You can get a flathead screwdriver, you're gonna need a ratchet, and you need a 14, 12, where's the 10? It's damn 10 mils. Yo, you got a 10 on you?
Let me check.
Cause I need a fucking 10 mil.
Yeah, here, I got you.
Alright, bet. Yeah, so you know how these 10 mils go. Alright, look how ghetto this is first though.
Hey, does it work?
It definitely works.
Okay, so it ain't ghetto. Let's go.
No, it's gasaholic.
All right, first thing is first, you have to pop off this clip, push down and out. There we go.
There you go.
This one doesn't even have one. That one does. That one you might need a screwdriver for.
Nope.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. That was easy.
So, really, the bolts you gotta take out is the middle bolt right here, then the bolt to the actual horn, and then down here, you just disconnect the wire in pieces.
There we go. You gotta pop that clip off. Here, hold it. I got you. There we go. Honk that bitch.
One.
Where's this going?
Oh, you know what? You know what we should have did? We should have did a comparison before we like took it off. But,
honk that bitch right now.
yeah, let's honk it right there. Here.
Bro, it's gonna sound horrible.
This is gonna sound terrible.
Action. Action.
Honestly, that's still pretty loud, just for one. I'm impressed. But these fucking horns is about to be ridiculously loud.
You know what we think about these? You know what we think about these? You know how to take the second one off?
Yep.
Yeah. You want me to do it?
Nah, I have to learn, bro.
Steno makes it worse, huh?
I guess. Whatever. I'll be better next year.
There you go.
Here's that.
And here's your bolt. You know how to pop that off, or you want me to do it?
No, I got it.
You can't be gentle with that.
Let's see.
Right here.
Oh, right here?
Yep. Just yank. There we go.
Wow, look. Old and rusted. But it still worked. Whew. These come with brackets already, but this is not the brackets that we're gonna use. So we're gonna take these off and then put on the parent bracket that we got.
Okay.
Is it supposed to be right?
No, that's on.
That's on?
Yeah, lefty loosey.
Oh, I get it. My fault.
It's not about strength. Put some torque on that, not horsepower.
Alright guys, fast forward a couple days later. I had to go to Ahmed's house real quick because just the tools that we had that day just wasn't cutting it for the brackets that was placed on there from factory with the hella horns. So I had to come over here and take them off with his tools. Car isn't done yet. We're about to finish it up right now.
See, this is the good car. That's the whack car.
So where we left off at was this back bracket piece.
It's gonna be mad easy. Ready? Wait. Get down the camera. Ready? Just hit it. That's it.
Alright guys. Last little look at the old horns and to the new big horns. And
hella
just
sus horns.
hella sus horns. You're hella sus. Speaking of that, like playing Among Us, I only played that game once just because the first time I played, everybody kept blaming it on me and I kept telling everybody who the imposter was and they all voted me out anyway. Oh nah, he sounds sus. I'm like,
Because he's hella sus.
honestly, thanks to him, I wouldn't have gotten those brackets off anytime soon.
It took us like what? How long? 0.5 seconds?
Yeah. So the next step is putting the hella horns on the parent bracket, and on the back where we took off the brackets from the factory, there were 2 washers on them, and you take these 2 washers and then you use the 2 washers over here on the parent bracket, and that's how you connect these 2 new hella horns on. Alright, so before we even tried putting the hella horns on, we noticed that we can't even line this up correctly due to this little metal piece right here. So what I've been seeing online, you can actually just get a hammer and just bend that in, and you definitely won't be able to use that again.
We got a little persuasion here.
Yeah, little persuasion.
And just use a little pry bar and then smack that.
Yep, you're almost there.
Yeah, I'm just trying to make sure about the paint. There we go.
Alright, there we go. We just flattened it down like a pancake. Not much on.
Try to put it on. See if it fits.
Yeah, we'll see. Booyah.
Oh, my bad.
No, you're good.
Yep. There you go.
Alright guys, and now it fits up well. Alright, so now that we got that out of the way, before we even try to put them on, we are gonna take these over here, use the washers that we had from the factory. Gonna want this up.
There we go.
Just make sure these back here are tight and it's not moving. Just get a ratchet. I believe it's about 14 mil in the back for the ratchet, and just tighten them down. You wanna get me tighten this down real quick?
Yeah. It's recording?
Let's see.
Well, you gotta hold it straight first. Straighten it out. Straighten it out first. Straighten it out first.
I gotta unloosen it.
Let me put this down.
There we go. Now we're good. Wait. Alright, cool. Okay guys, the hella horns are on the bracket. Just remember, the parent logo should be on the front, and in the back you can see the harness plugs are on top. So it goes in like this, in, parent logo on the front, not the back, and these little plugs on top. Alright, y'all, so here's the two wiring pieces for the Grimspeed on the Hellahorns. The smaller one is gonna go on the Hellahorns here. Yeah, it doesn't matter which side it goes on, but I'm gonna do the inner ones right here, and both of these two little pieces will go on. And boom, it should look just like this. Now it's time to bolt on the Hellahorns now. Alright guys, so a lot of people I see online wasn't really showing the step process of what it looks like. So this is what it looks like when everything is all wired in. So you got the long wire harness right here that connects all the way up, which leads to two more, and you put it in the other holes that wasn't plugged in, and that should be everything. Alright y'all, and they're on just like that. Might mess around with the wiring a little bit, as you can see. Alright guys, they are on. The only thing I may have to work on is like the wiring. Can get very tangled. You get a couple zip ties and like really knot them up like that. You should be good. Other than that, that's how you set it up. And now it's time to test. 1, 2, 3. Oh, they work. Out with the old and in with the new. Thanks to the boy Ahmed here, we got the job done. Looks really good, honestly. I'm actually considering on not even putting on the grill. Guys, if you like this video, please go like down below, comment, subscribe to me and to my boy right here. And tons more videos of the Subi coming up, and he's also starting up a channel, so please, like I said, go subscribe to him.
We're working on that car, and we got this car over here.
Yep.
I mean, you all know about the 350Z already. The video should be up before this one. If not, then fuck. Whoops.
Yeah, this little guy over here hiding in the cut. But hey, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.